All right, folks, we're back here with another Colossal Breaks box break of new product, Topps MLB World Tour Tokyo Series 2024. Takashi Mukarami, one serial number per box. Baseball season is upon us. So let's do a little box break here. New product of the MLB World Tour Tokyo Series. Cubs there, the Dodgers. Major League 2025 Complex exclusive. See what we can get here. A little box. Baseball, Topps baseball, folks. Ooh, look at that. Fancy schmancy. One pack. That's it. That's all she wrote. Oh, nice and thick. There's a thick card in here, or there's a lot of cards. Let's see. There's a few cards in here that's in the box, so. Yeah, it's just cards. It's all right. All right. So we got the Tommy. Here we go. First card. Nice one. Not numbered. So hey, that's a Tommy. The Dodgers. All right. Sia Suzuki. Cubs. Not numbered. Clayton Kershaw. Not numbered. Pitcher from Dallas. Dodgers. Dansby Swanson. The Cubs. Mookie Betts. All right, Mookie. Dodgers. Not numbered. Shota Almanga from the Cubs, Chicago Cubs. Watch baseball in a while. Blake Snell. Nico Horner. Nico. Freddie Freeman. Nice cards. Jameson Talion. The Cubs. A lot of Cubs. Well, Cubs and Dodgers. Is that it? Because of the maybe. Yoshinabe Yatamoto. Yeah, so it's just the Tokyo Series. So it's all the. So it's just the Dodgers, Dodgers and the Cubs. Okay. Ian Hop. Tyler Gladstone. Miguel Amaya. Will Smith. Let's get jiggy with it. Na. Hey. All right, here we go. Shinami Otanami, a 16 out of 75. Only got a number in there. Look at that. 16 out of 75. All right. Nice one. Pete Grow Armstrong. Andy Page. Kyle Tucker. Tommy Edman. Michael Bush. Teoscar Hernandez. Matthew Boyd. Max Muncy. Javar Assad. Sophie Autonomy, the regular one. So this is the numbered one. So that one. All right. Box break. That was all right.